Hey everyone, it's Weed. How's it going? Okay, so this is the start of the semester talking about McGraw-Hill Connect and how to get to that point via D2L. So please do not be concerned that the class is not yours that you're currently registered in, or the dates are not the same as the one that you will see. This is me registered as a student, and this course number is PHED 1164-6305, Introduction to Physical Fitness and Wellness. So when you log into D2L, you will come to this page where there is an announcement, and as we look and scroll through, there are two introductory videos which will be helpful. It's only my voice, so apologies for that, but it will give you a better understanding of what to do and where to find the beginning of the semester quiz. And then also, if you come down here, here's some information on how to fill out the training log correctly, which we will also talk about in class, but it's a reference point for you. So McGraw-Hill Connect is where we find our textbook, our Learn Smart, you'll call it Book Smart, and also the chapter quizzes, which are 10% of the overall grade. As we move up here to the tab, this is what you will see. So if we go to Content, remember we're looking for McGraw-Hill Connect. On the left-hand side here, you will see the table of contents. And this is all the stuff that is available to you, not stuff, materials. So here's the syllabus, the attendance policy, about the lockdown browser, and the first few day PowerPoint. Here's some information about training logs. You don't have to ever print those out unless you lose them. I will give you a cardstock copy in class for your own use. So going back here to the left side tab, syllabus, how to fill out the training log, the 5-paragraph written essay. Here's information about the final exam, which you can start preparing for if you want to. Here's bonus materials. This is not your common bonus materials where you get bonus points. This is if you have an unexcused absence or you need a quiz reopened. If we click on the tab right here from McGraw-Hill Connect and scroll up, this is the launch area. So if I click on this document right here, you will find, once it appears, this is where you're going to be going to get to your Connect section. And right here, this is the one that is happening. Yours might look differently because you're in a different class than this class. But if you click on this, you will be able to access the 2-week free code or pay the $55 directly to McGraw-Hill plus tax and have connection for the entire semester. So again, this is under Content, McGraw-Hill Content. If I go back here to the announcements, forgot to mention this, apologies. If you scroll down, you will find some important information here, and here's the Connect Success PDF. So if you have any questions, you can click on this PDF, and I will open it right here. And you just click on the tab, Registering for Connect. Here's how you get the 2-week free trial and other items that are going through here. So if you're a rookie to Connect, there are resources available to you. Thanks. You can email me if you have any questions. You can also ask me in class so that everyone else hears the same question. They might have the same question as you. But good luck, take care, move well, move often.